It's an age-old tale in textiles. A company goes big and then bust, or, sorry for the pun, maybe they're still hanging by a thread.
Tonight, we find our Tar Heel traveler in Tarboro. Scott Mason visits a sock mill, which remains part of the historic fabric of the town.
Here in Tarboro, textile companies have lost traction, and yet there is always a next step.
These things are old, but they still make a good sock, and they make a lot of them. But they've got a little age on them. This thing's older than I am.
Mayo Knitting was born in 1931.
It took years for it to grow.
But business did jump. Sales soared.
We were growing like a weed.
We would be doing 40,000 dozen of the same sock, same color. And I'm like, where are all those socks going?
The upswing. The downturn.
The market really started to shift.
Everything went overseas.
The light went out.
It's kind of upsetting.
Bye-bye.
Because this used to be really big business, not just for our family, but for about 12 different textile mills here in Tarboro.
And how many textile mills are left in Tarboro?
We are the last one.
Oh, the tension. Such topsy-turvy times.
It's just hard to watch and see everything transition from being made in the U.S. and now it's just not at all.
My sisters and I were raised on our family farm.
The family farm. And maybe there is a white lining.
Well, what we'd like to do is take the cotton that we grow and make socks out of that same cotton.
It is not pie in the sky.
And all of it's done right here.
We do see an opportunity to keep it going.
Their own line of socks, perhaps personalized socks to grace the foot.
Yeah, easy enough.
We've got the ability to reach out and get, instead of the large customers, get the smaller customers.
Small. 20 years from now, where do you see the company?
It'll be hard to see it from where I am 20 years from now.
There's a lot of history here, and we want to support the history and keep it going.
Keep pushing.
This is the livelihood of my community. This used to be the lifeblood of my entire community. That is what drives us, and I think that's what's going to keep us going.
Mayo Knitting has just launched a new website, so you can go check that out. You can order socks and read about the company's rich history at mayomills.com. Mayo also has an outlet store at its Tarboro factory, open every Tuesday morning.
I have a feeling you're going to do this as soon as we get off
Nothing
set.
like a new pair of socks. It's the best.
Thanks.